Welcome to a world of timeless elegance and modern chic, where function meets style in the most harmonious way. Today, we're delving into the captivating realm of the T4TREAMs Fluted 6-drawers dresser. This exceptional piece, with its 54 inches width, is not just a dresser, but a versatile addition to your home organization system. The T4TREAMs Fluted 6-drawers dresser, crafted in the heart of natural oak, presents an extraordinary fusion of contemporary and classic aesthetics. The distinctive wave-like fluted panel enhances its texture and spatial presence, while the off-white faux marble top, adorned with earth-toned veins, complements it beautifully. The smooth curved edge exudes an aura of elegance and provides a safe environment for little ones, making it a perfect fit for bedrooms, living rooms, hallways, or even entryways. This dresser offers an array of possibilities. Its spacious tabletop serves as a stylish canvas to beautifully showcase framed photos, artistic accents, and more. It features 6 smooth glide drawers, offering efficient storage solutions for clothing, bedding, cosmetics, jewelry, and more. The T4TREAMs Fluted 6-drawers dresser is made from FSC-certified wood, optimal MDF, P2 engineered wood. The fluted panel uses blister molding tech, and the faux marble top is made of melamine veneer, ensuring long-lasting durability, water resistance, and easy maintenance. Notably, the cabinet's stability is reinforced by the innovative inclusion of a steel support at the base, guaranteeing a reliable and sturdy piece of furniture. Assembling this masterpiece is a breeze, thanks to T4TREAMs Furniture's user-friendly instructions. Each component is meticulously labeled with serial numbers, and a pack of spare parts is supplied in case of loss of hardware during assembly. Typically, 2 adults can easily put it together. Your package will ship protected with styrofoam sheets and protect boards. If you notice that the box is damaged, please do not worry about it. The foam and wood protective boards will avoid any damage to your item directly. Feel free to reach out with any queries, we're here to assist you every step of the way. Real users can't stop raving about this dresser. One customer shared, "This is amazing furniture at a great price. It still looks and works great with no issues." Another customer praised, "Dresser is perfect. It's very sturdy and the drawers aren't too big." So, are you ready to elevate your home organization game? The T4TREAMs Fluted 6-drawers dresser, with its timeless elegance and modern chic design, may just be the perfect addition to your space. Visit our website today to explore more about this exceptional piece of furniture.